Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a Discord message, enabling taskbar flashing for notifications is a great way to stay alert, especially with the latest update for the Discord app on PC. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on taskbar flashing, so you'll always know when someone's trying to reach you. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the Discord window. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is the user settings button. Click on the gear icon to open up your settings menu. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice a sidebar on the left with a list of different categories. Scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Under App Settings, look for and click on Notifications. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences for Discord. Now, in the Notifications section, scroll through the options until you find Enable Taskbar Flashing. This setting lets your Discord icon on the Windows taskbar flash whenever you receive a new message or notification. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch next to Enable Taskbar Flashing. Once enabled, your taskbar will flash to alert you whenever there's activity, even if you're working in another window or have Discord minimized. That's all it takes. With taskbar flashing enabled, you'll have a visual cue that's hard to miss, making it much easier to stay on top of your Discord conversations. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to get the most out of your Discord experience. Stay connected and see you next time.